Prayer is the best solution to any problem. One day, everyone will leave me alone, but the one and only Allah Almighty remain with me. Bad habits will give you bad experience. Good habits will give you good experience. Two rules which we follow in our life: that no aims and no success. We pray too little and want too much. You will never find success if you are looking your past. One day, busy life give you easy life. Every bell give a lesson, and every lesson change a person. Fight and freedom. Fight for your freedom, and your freedom will fight for you. One day my life will be changed, because one day everything will be changed. All of my friends remain me alone, because I'm a boy. The best way to have the last word is to apologize. If you've done something big and you are rich, everyone wants you. But if you've done something big and you are poor, no one wants you. We are very good lawyer for our own mistake, but very good judge for mistake of other. If you have money, then stranger world become your relative. If you don't have money, then relative world becomes stranger. Don't postpone today's work tomorrow.